Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Aladdin. In today's video I am going to show you how you can make money online by taking surveys. And before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And without further delay, let's get it started. Before I make this video, I have tried hundreds of websites and applications and none of them work for me for these reasons. They rarely send surveys. They ask you to fill up surveys and give you few points, knowing that you need thousands of points to get few dollars. Most of the surveys fail to complete and this results in not giving you points. They give you few dollars when you sign up, but later on you discover that you won't be able to withdraw the money. Once you sign up, you will find yourself here in this dashboard, and if you have new survey, you can start taking the survey directly, and otherwise you have two options: whether to wait until you get email or notification for new surveys, or to take the surveys that is available and they pay you 50 cents. If you want to know how it works, just click here on the logo, and that's how it works. Sign up, complete the survey and get $1 immediately. And another thing, which is, if you want to know more about the payments, as you can see here, I got paid via my PayPal account and I got this, and here they will show you the status. If it is processing, they pay you in few minutes. Have new survey, you will find notification like this, and or you can go to your email and find a notification like this, and it will take you directly to the survey. Another thing I want to talk about is affiliate programs. Survey ambassador program. You send your details and wait until they accept you, and then promote for the service and get paid monthly. I think that's all for today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and see you next time.